Let's fix your issues in 6 steps. Step 1. Unmute. Unmute your audio devices. Volume up. Check apps volumes via volume mixer. Unmute apps. Step 2. Sound settings. Open up sound settings. Check output devices. Test sound. Allow for apps. Step 3. Troubleshooting. Right click audio icon. Consent Microsoft to fix your issue. Listen to the beep sound. If you can't hear the beep sound, go on to the process. Step 4. Restart services. Search for services in the Windows menu. Find indicated services and restart them. Check if the issue still continues. Step 5. Device settings. Right-click Windows icon. Open up Device Manager. Go for the audio input and outputs. Update speaker driver. Scan for hardware changes. If nothing those works, uninstall driver and restart your computer. Step 6. Updates. Search for updates. First, advanced options, then optional updates. Select for audio related updates. And then update all Windows updates. Hey, I tried really hard to make this video quick, fast, resilient, and make it easy for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.